Now we're going to make this really fun firework-inspired centerpiece. So I'm going to start by taking my Mini Bowdabra and my Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I'm just going to fold it in half. And then I'm going to take this hex nut and just string that onto my wire. And now that my wire is folded in half and I have the nut right here, I'm just going to tuck everything under my Mini Bowdabra so it stays out of the way. But there's nothing it's connecting to, it's just right there. Then I'm going to take my silver scrunchy ribbon and I'm just going to scrunch it. And I'll take my wand and I'm just going to make sure everything's packed down in there. So now I'm going to take these little chenille stems, which I've already cut, and I have some that are a little shiny. Take my Bowdabra wand, scrunch everything down. Now I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm just going to pull these through my slip knot, and I'm going to take the nut here and just hold it as I hold my bow down, and I'm going to pull it tight so my hex knot will be right in the middle of my bow. So now what I'm going to do though, just because I really want it to be down and flat, I just pull my Bowdabra bow wire through, and now I bring everything to the back. Just straighten that out there. And just tie a knot. I'm going to fluff my bow. And I'm just going to put this aside. So this time I'm going to take my gold. Again, I'm going to take my wire and I'm going to put it through my hex knot, fold my wire in half, and just put it underneath the Bowdabra, and take my Bowdabra scrunchy ribbon, and I'm just gonna scrunch that down there, pull this back through my wire, and do the same thing I did last time. I'm just gonna pull it all through so that nut ends up right up close to the bow. And then I'm going to take my wire and just put it through the hex nut, bring it back around, put it through one more time so it stays flat on the front of my bow. Then I'm going to just bring it around to the back, tie a knot, fluff out my bow. And I'm going to put this aside as well. Then I have this really pretty fabric. So what I'm going to do is take this water bottle. Let's make sure I line this up right. And I've just got these little glue strips that I put on here. I'll line the bottle there. And I'm going to take another glue strip and just put that here. And put another one here. And then I'm just going to roll this up here. Then I'm going to go to the top and I'm just going to take a glue dot this time. So I'm just going to kind of fold this in and put a glue dot here. And then put another one here. Just put that aside. Then I'm going to come back. I'm going to cut the ends off of my wire. Or actually, I have a better idea. I think I'm just going to tie this around my bottle to give it a little extra. And I'm just going to kind of clip this to give it a little bit of the firecracker kind of look. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And I'm just going to put the bottle aside, and I'm going to take a piece of my gold Bowdabra bow wire, and I have these really cute little stars that I actually cut off of a patriotic garland. So I'm going to just stick a glue dot right here and put them together, and then just glue dot the back here, put it onto my Bowdabra bow wire, take this back over here, and I'm just going to pull this down here through my Bowdabra bow wire. And now you have this really cute firecracker centerpiece. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.